Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reinstall this current version of Windows 11. I'll talk about the error that you encounter when you use this Windows 11, the latest version of Windows 11. So you can try to update it first, your Windows 11s. Keep update to fix some error, minor and majors. And if you encounter some problems, some issues, and you need to consider to reset or reinstall the system, you can try to open settings on your Windows 11, click on system, and try to search the recovery option. This one, you can click it. Here you can try to fix problem without resetting your PC and fix problem using Windows Update. Reinstall your current version of Windows. Your file and setting will be preserved. So you can try reinstall now. You can click, so the notification will pop up. Windows repair component and system files. If a repair solution is available, Windows attempt to fix system component corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. And please make sure your PC is on and connected to the network and power source. After installation, Windows lets you know when it's time to restart your PC to complete the repair. So feel free to try to reset or reinstall this current version of your Windows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.